Slant or nonlinear asymptote. So sometimes it's possible that our function has a asymptote, but it doesn't look like a vertical or horizontal line. Like it can be a slanted line, so we call it slant asymptote, or some other type of function, so we call it nonlinear asymptote. So we assume let f be a rational function which means f is ratio of two polynomials, and let's assume degree of numerator is n and degree of denominator is m. If degree of numerator is equal to 1 more than degree of denominator, in that case you will have slant asymptote. If degree of numerator is greater than degree of denominator plus 1, in that case you will have nonlinear asymptote. And how will you find that? To find your slant or nonlinear asymptote, we divide the numerator by the denominator and we will get a quotient, right? So what we will do is we will divide the numerator by the denominator, and let's say you got a quotient of qx. Then y equals that quotient will give you your asymptote, your slant asymptote or your nonlinear asymptote. Let's do example. So our example 1, we want to determine slant asymptote, if any, of function fx given by 3x cube divided by x square minus 9. In this case, degree of numerator is 3, degree of denominator is 2, so degree of numerator is 1 more than degree of denominator, which means we have slant asymptote. To find the slant asymptote, we will divide our numerator by our denominator. So first step was divide. So 3x cube divided by x square gives us 3x. Next step is multiply. Multiply your divisor by 3x, which gives us 3x cube minus 27x. Next step is we change the signs and add. So we got 27x. Now degree of remainder is less than our divisor, so we will stop here, and y equals our quotient, means 3x. This is our slant asymptote. This is our slant asymptote. which is like a tilted line. Next example, we want to find non-linear asymptote, if any, for function fx equals negative 8x power 4 plus 6x minus 12 divided by 4x square. So we will divide the numerator by our denominator, which gives us, so first step is take the leading coefficient of your dividend divided by your leading coefficient of divisor, that gives you negative 2x square. Multiply negative 2x square by your divisor, we get negative 8x power 4. Change the sign and add. So that gives us 6x minus 12. Degree is less than divisor, so we will stop here. So y equals negative 2x square is our non-linear asymptote. And if you will look at the graph of this function, the graph of this function looks like this, and your graph y equals negative 2x square will be like your asymptote.